Hey guys, just want to do an update video on my operating system. So I've made the jump, I've made the move into 32-bit protected mode. If we go down here, it will, actually I put it at 64 just to mess around and test something, but we can remove that and put it at 32-bit. Let's remove the REX because that's a 64-bit register. Okay, so if we do this and run it and assemble it and launch in QEMU, you can see that two characters up there are being shown, and those are the memory locations B8000 and B8002. Each place in the video memory goes over by two bytes because they hold 16 bits worth of tile data. For the first byte is the first byte is the color, or the first byte is the color, and the second byte is the character. So it holds 2 bytes for each tile, and as you can see, I put two bytes here, or 2 characters here. In fact, you know what? Let's test something. Let's change this a little bit. Let's make it do something else. Actually. Oh, well, after I do this, after I change this, I'm gonna go and test something, because I got lots of stuff to show you guys. Okay, let's do 7. I don't know what the hell the color 7 is, but let's see. Okay, fuck off for a second. Okay, assemble, boot from floppy. And that's A, okay. Huh. Interesting, it's like kind of grayish. Okay, let's try 2. That's a boring color. Let's make it actually something nice. Okay, let's go in. And, all right, green. That's a nice color. Okay, cool. Now it works in QEMU. Although it wasn't working in VirtualBox, and it was annoying me because the information on this video I've been watching didn't tell me that I had to move the segment registers. So like if I remove these and I assemble it and I run it if I run it in QEMU, it works fine, but if I run it in VirtualBox over here, where the hell is there it is. Okay, if I run it in VirtualBox, VirtualBox takes a while to open for whatever reason. Okay, there we go. So if I run it in VirtualBox, it completely breaks, as you can see, and it's whenever I try putting stuff in the memory address, because it's like a 32-bit address. You see, it breaks. So I was able to find out that all you got to do is just move the segment registers to the data segment, and now whenever we do it, it will hopefully work. And if it doesn't, then I'm screwed, because oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to figure out why it doesn't. But it worked before, so it should. Yeah, see, it works. So now I don't know why the B blinks. Luckily the A isn't blinking anymore, which is nice. But yeah. So as you can see, it now we've got it working in VirtualBox. Now, this is a big step forward, because VirtualBox is one of the most accurate virtual machines. Although, if we try the same thing in VMware, okay, let's make the ISO, and then we're gonna go over to my operating system and we're gonna run it, and oh my god, we're not even gonna talk about VMware. Like, this shit is just ridiculous. Look at this. This is fucking absurd. VMware can't even handle the simple fucking character printing interrupt from the fucking BIOS. It's built into the BIOS and it can't even fucking handle that. That's so stupid, fucking piece of shit. VMware fucking shit. I mean, I don't know what the hell's wrong with VMware, because VMware is the one that works best with Temple OS, but it doesn't work for shit with mine. I don't know why. I had to, I tried removing all the fucking prints and string prints and 0x10 interrupts, and I mean, then it just started breaking it entirely. It just started fucking saying, "Oh, critical error. Fuck me. I'm dead. I'm fucking dead as shit, and I'm never gonna fucking exist again. Goodbye." In fact, you know what? Let me go do that. Let me go show you. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so let's find. Okay, let's change this to just interrupt. This is the disk, the hard drive loading, or the disk loading interrupt. That I think that works fine. I'm not sure. We'll see. But right here, okay. Let's just get rid of all the print. Because VMware can't fucking handle that without going into an infinite loop for some fucking reason. Okay, let's just get rid of all this shit. Get rid of all the print char, print new line, get all rid of the strings. Alright, now it should be all clear. Let's see. I think, yeah, okay, I got everything. So, now there shouldn't be any more text. If we go into here, yeah, there's no more text. Okay, so let's make the ISO, and okay, now we're gonna go into VMware again. You know what? Let me rename this. Because it's just other. That's a fucking stupid ass name. Let's rename it. Okay, other. No, this is. Wait, I can't. Okay, there we go. No, what the fuck is that? My OS. There we go. Better name, much better name. There we go. Okay, there. Let's load this. I don't know what that reloading thing was. And see, okay, see, it just fucking dies. That is so stupid. A fault has occurred, causing a virtual CPU to enter the shutdown state. If this fault had occurred outside of a virtual machine, it would have caused the physical machine restart. The shutdown state can be reached by incorrectly configuring the virtual machine, a bug in the guest operating system, or a problem in the virtual player or the VMware player. Yeah, and I've got a feeling it's the VMware. I've got a feeling it just doesn't work in VMware, because it works fine in VirtualBox, and VirtualBox is pretty accurate. QEMU is kind of shit at accuracy, but if it works in VirtualBox, that's a pretty good sign. But yeah, oh my god, oh, look at this shit, unrecoverable error. VMware, you're such a fucking loser. Fuck. All right, you know what? VMware deserves some slack, because VMware can actually run Temple OS with sound, unlike VirtualBox, which can't. But still, this is just ridiculous. It works fine in VMware, or no, it works fine in VirtualBox. But hey, for all I know, VirtualBox could be fucking lying. I don't know. I'm gonna have to. The only way that I can know for sure is if I burn the ISO onto a CD and try it in my actual computer. But I want to save that for until I actually get an actual kernel made, because just printing stuff on the screen is kind of lame to be putting permanently on a disk, and I only have so many of the CD-ROMs that I have on my shelf, so I gotta use them sparingly. But anyway, yeah, that's my update on my operating system development. Some fucking faggot kicked me from the OS development server for fucking winning an argument. We were talking about are human beings animals, and I said I was trying to say, hey, we're getting to a point where we're becoming no longer animals and more like aliens or gods. And they're like, oh, the whole fucking server lost their shit because they couldn't fucking comprehend the fact that someone disagrees with them. So they fucking lost their minds and had a fucking frenzy. They fucking lost their minds, and then one of the fucking faggot-ass moderators banned me for no fucking reason. So yeah, there goes that shit. I guess I kind of like the ability to ask questions about the developing OSs, but never mind. I guess it doesn't fucking matter. Whatever. Once I make a good fucking operating system, they're gonna wish they didn't ban me, because I'm gonna fucking make a awesome fucking OS, and they're gonna fucking they're not gonna have me. I'm gonna be a fucking valuable asset, and then they're gonna fucking wish I came back, man. I'm not even gonna go back to that shit ass fucking server, man. They're fucking just full of a bunch of fucking sensitive pansies. I don't want to be in that shit. What a bunch of fucking like that. Fuck that fucking shit. Anyway, all right. Enough of me ranting. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this update on the OS I'm making. Hopefully, I can get on start making the kernel soon. It'll be pretty cool. So yeah, see ya.